Okay, hang on. I'm coming in too. This is good for the mind and the body and the soul. And it will wash away all those negative thoughts. All your sadness will be washed away from this plunge. Right? That's what we want. That's what you want, man. Okay. You can see us there. Focus it here, and then you can see what's going on. I gotta take off my shirt because wearing a shirt is cheating. 26th of January today, 2025. And this is what we do. This is good for the immune system. She's got a great immune system. You got to take your time going in to adjust yourself to the water. Hey, high five. Yeah. Okay. High five. Come on.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God.
It's funny. The more you do it, the less cold it feels. Look at that hot chocolate. Think of hot chocolate. What do you think?
Stay longer.
Try it, you'll like it. This is a winter plunge in the North Pacific. This is the Pacific Ocean. This is no hot tub. I wish we had an infrared sauna to go in.
Oh yeah.
Okay?
You stayed in
Ready?
longer.
High five, kiddo. Come here. You're awesome. You're awesome. Are you feeling happier?
I feel better.
Yeah, she feels better. And that's how it's done. Just like that. Oh, that's beauty. That's how you do a cold water plunge. You don't have to stay in that long, but you know what? It actually feels better. It's very refreshing. And actually out here, I think that water feels colder than the air. Right now, out here is not that bad. All right, guys, cheers to you. Shaka whiff. Okay. That wasn't that bad, was it? You feel better coming out here?
Longer.
Huh? Say cheese.
Stay in longer.
Say cheese. You did good. Now I'm filming. You did stay in longer. You did good.
Especially, you stayed in like.
You did good.
I don't know.
You did good, Krista. You did good. Good for you. It doesn't feel that bad out here, does it?
No.
You know, when you come out, it's like,
Just my little toes.
yeah.
My little toesy.
That's beautiful. Okay, nice. Where's my thing? Beauty. No, I don't find it that bad. Better when it's calm. Way better.
Yeah.
Makes a difference. Yesterday felt colder to me. Coming out, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's beauty. See, now you reward yourself with hot chocolate. Oh yeah, I couldn't imagine putting my head in there. Oh, fuck. It'd be awful.
Yeah, I think I used to do that.
Yeah, no, that'd be too cold.
And then I couldn't warm up.
You know what? In the summertime I'll do it, but not now.
Yeah, summertime.
I'm not doing it now. It's too cold out. Okay. Right on. Yeah. Feet. Oh yeah. We're hardcore. That's hardcore. Not a lot of people can do that, Krista. That takes willpower to do that. Yeah, so much better. And get my sweatpants tomorrow. There. Oh yeah. hot chocolate. It's going to taste good. Okay. That. And yeah, I have dessert.
Yeah, Kit Kat.
Yeah, dessert. Oh, it's so nice down here. See, moving, I will definitely miss this.
Yeah.
I will. Walking across the street to a beach, definitely miss it. Ah.